Hi. Have you ever wanted an AI agent that manages absolutely every single function on your WordPress? Stick around to find out. Hi, my name is Arshia, and today I'm going to show you how our WordPress MCP client using our AI agent works in FlowHunt. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Integrations tab and find WordPress, because the first step is to actually integrate WordPress to FlowHunt. So here we can press on WordPress and then integrate new WordPress site. WordPress site URL is basically just your domain. So for us, it's phoenixhealth.sk. So we can put that there. And then your login username is the same as your WordPress login. So I'm going to enter my own, and then on your WordPress dashboard, you must come all the way down to users, press on users, and then go to profile. In profile, all the way down here, it says application passwords. So we need a new application password, so we can put the name as FlowHunt, for example, and then add new application password. Okay, nice. Here we're going to get our application password, so we can copy that and then paste it into our integration and then integrate WordPress. As soon as we click that, now our WordPress integration is successfully created, so we can hop onto the MCP servers and add a new MCP server. We can name the MCP server Phoenix Health WP, as in for WordPress, and we can go all the way down to find our WordPress MCP server. Now, what can this MCP server do for you? Well, pretty much everything, because it can list, get, create, update, and delete posts, pages, media, users, categories, tags, comments, plugins, and overall your site information. It's a full-on AI agent with moderation powers in your website. So you can just click on all of the tools so that the AI agent is as extensive as possible, and then you can add MCP server. Now, once the MCP server is created, we can go into the Connect tab. In the Connect tab, we have a pre-created template. So if you click on this Create AI Agent, and it will automatically create a brand new flow for you with the MCP client already configured for you. So you don't need to do anything further. And then we can come to the AI agents and say, you are a WordPress moderator. So fulfill the user's wishes by using the tools at available in the MCP client tool. So just like that, the AI agent now has access to the MCP client, and it is prompted and ready to go. So if we were to publish this flow, we can say list all my posts in WordPress. And so the AI agent is going to use the MCP client tool, read through all of the tool descriptions to see what each tool does, and choose the correct tool for this job. So it's going to find the correct tool and then use the tool. Well, the tool is basically just APIs. So it's going to use the proper API to get the information that we need. Okay. And as you can see, it says here are all your recent WordPress posts with their complete content. So here we have introducing Phoenix Health Home Pregnancy midstream test. And if we go back here and go to our posts, we can see that indeed it is the correct information. So now we can use any of the tools that we mentioned earlier inside the MCP server and just mess around with anything. So if we can say create a brand new post about, I don't know, rapid midstream pregnancy tests. Now this might take a little while because it's a blog post, so we're gonna wait. And okay, after a few seconds, we can see that it has created a brand new blog post for us. And if we go back to our posts, and there it is, published at this time, that is today. So it created a brand new post with our MCP client. Now, you can mess with the MCP client to choose the correct tools that you want. So you may not need all of the tools, or if you want certain use cases to run on cron, so that it's easier to manage, let's say. So yeah, just like that, and you can obviously see all the tools here on the right. So WordPress list post, so whatever you don't want, just click on the X and you will get rid of it. And just like that, you can have your own AI agent that manages your entire website in WordPress. If you have any questions, make sure to ask in the comment section below, and I hope you enjoy your day.